Welcome back, my adventure seekers. It's Cameron over at Airstream Charlotte, your favorite family-owned and operated Airstream exclusive dealership. Today, I want to talk a little bit about the new travel trailer to the Airstream lineup. It's going to be the new special edition that's going to be replacing the Pottery Barn. And that's going to be the Stetson's 4/6 travel trailer. This is going to come in a 27-foot floor plan. You can get either a twin or a queen bed configuration. Get it loaded with 300 watts of solar on top, 200 amp hours worth of battery. But I won't get too much into all the stats and everything. I'll drop that down into the comments. I just really want to talk about this special coach that we have here. So the Stetson is going to be a Western inspired coach. So you can see here just by the graphics and everything on my solar guards up front. You know, have the cowboy theme, this amazing. It's going to have hat racks and everything, have the cattle and everything on this side. Absolutely beautiful coach. Did a red rub rail right here in the middle. I think that really pops, it really makes it stand out. Absolutely beautiful features. So right up front, of course, we have that electric tongue jack. So it's going to be up and down for you. Has some lights, has that electric that manual pass through right here in the middle of it, in case that tongue jack ever goes bad for you. You're going to have your two 30-pound propane tanks with a 2-stage regulator up front as well. So that'll help out, let you know whenever one of those propane tanks runs low or it gets empty, go ahead and switch it to the other one and get the previous one filled. Airstream always likes to incorporate these QR codes throughout. It's going to take you to some videos on the Airstream website, about a minute long each. Just show you how to use some of the functions of this trailer. Up front, this is going to be my queen bed configuration. So you're going to have a storage compartment right here up front, light on the inside. It's going to be on that side over there, but plenty of storage throughout. Have a few of the little things that come in the goodie box with you. Smart plug. That's going to be the quick connect for the outdoor shower, things like that. And of course, standard on all Airstreams, going to have that spare tire that's going to be up underneath that A-frame. You have that cotter pin right there. You release that, drops everything down. Then you're going to have an exterior solar port right here as well. The exterior solar port is going to be amazing for you if you're parked up underneath some trees, have a bunch of shade over your solar panels. You just want to get your own panels, the little sandwich panels, put them out in front of the coach, so that way you're still charging with the solar. On this side over here, we're going to have that exterior LPG port. So if you wanted to use your own grill outside and still utilize the propane tanks that are on board, you'd be able to use that quick connect port right there. And then that back box right there is going to be my battery bank. That's where your two Battleborn lithium game changer batteries are going to be stored. Have about 200 amp hours right there. As we keep working our way through, I mean, check out the beautiful color on these awnings. I mean, Airstream really did an amazing job. These awnings really make the coach pop. Love the red stripes and everything on those. Red stripe down the middle. Just really a beautiful coach. All right, go ahead and check out some of these things right here. This is going to be the outdoor shower right there. So like I said, you have that quick connect right there. You have the hot and cold water that you'll be able to use with that. Down below, you're going to have your tank dump station. So you have your gray tank dump valve, black tank dump valve, little light up underneath, brighten up the night for you if you need to. Up front, that's going to be where your sewer hose will be stored. Airstream likes to think about all the little things. So incorporate a separate sewer hose storage so that way you're not clogging up any one of the other compartments. You have stabilizers on all four corners. Those are going to be electric. I'll show you where those controls are here in a second. Right here is going to be the city water intake and then the black tank flush. These both have 50 PSI regulator on them. So you're not having to worry about anything messing with any one of the pipes or pressure on the inside of your coach. Black tank flush, that's going to be a use it or lose it situation, guys. So it's going to be a sprinkler system on the inside of that black tank. It's going to clean down all the contents of that tank, making sure you're always camping with a clean tank every time you go out. It's amazing. It's going to be a 50 amp service right here. So you have two AC units up top. So you plug in that smart cord right there with that blue LED indicator light on top. It's going to be your accessories right here. So you'll be able to plug in your internet or cable right there if you need it to. Up underneath these tires right here, that's going to be where your low point drain valves are going to be. So if you needed to empty out those fresh tanks whenever it came to, storing it or get winterized, things like that, it'll be in between those two tires right there. Going to have that furnace right here. So you just want to make sure you don't park anywhere too close to anything. Make sure that has some good exhaust to it. So that way nothing is harming anything outside or harming anybody else's campsite. Keep working our way back to the back. This is going to have the hatch, which is an amazing feature. So you'll be able to open up this hatch, and as you know, for the most part, when you're out at your campgrounds, the back end is going to be the scenic view. So if you're riverside, mountaintop, beachfront, anything like that, you'll be able to open up this hatch, let this screen down, just sit here and relax and let that outside in. Just taking in all the beautiful views, all the beautiful scents, and all the beautiful noises. I love it. Absolutely love this rear hatch configuration. Still have an awning back here as well. So you have the awning that will come out, and you'd be able to open up that window if you didn't want to use this entire hatch. Still have that rear view camera back here. And that's that new camera to the 2026 model line. So be able to, it's a little bit lower profile, a little bit smaller, still has the microphone and everything on it, still works the same. Just plug it into the 12-volt system on inside of your inside of your travel trailer. Oh, goodness, my words. On this side, it's going to be your main awning. This is going to be electric for you. I mean, just check out this awning. I mean, just beautiful embroidered Stetson 4.6s right there. I mean, they really outdid themselves with this travel trailer right here. This is one of the most beautiful coaches I've ever seen. Right here, this is going to be where that electric stabilizer jack control is going to be. So you have this one right here for the back that will control the back two. This one controls the front two, all in the lock compartment, so nobody has to mess with that. Right there, that's going to be your exhaust for your cooktop. So you'll be able to open up those latches, exhaust all the fumes and everything out, so it's not building up on the inside of the coach for you. Going to have some exterior outlets here as well. So if you wanted to enjoy some things while you're outside camping and enjoying the great outdoors, you'd be able to. It's just going to be the water heater exhaust right there. So just want to make sure, just like the furnace, don't park anywhere too close to that. Just make sure it has some proper exhaust. It's going to cover up a lot of the outside for me, but I do want to bring our attention to the screen door. I mean, this screen door is amazing with the Stetson 4.6s, cowboy hat on the bottom of it. I mean, they really paid attention to all the details when it came to this special edition coach. And of course, as always, Airstream is going to be certified green, emerald level status. It just means it's going to be clean materials, no formaldehyde, no off gases. And the insulation here is going to resist the growth of mold and mildew. So you'll be camping and you'll be clean while you're doing it. It's amazing. Let's go ahead and take a step inside. I mean, this Stetson is just absolutely stunning. I mean, these genuine leather couches, I can tell you firsthand that this is probably the most comfortable couch that I have ever sat in a travel trailer. I mean, you just have to come to the dealership and feel it yourself. So you'll be able to convert all this to the bed. This drops down. You'll have some extra cushions in the wardrobe to help you convert that. It's going to be some more storage up underneath, just a little drawer system there. Going to have a lot of your light controls and everything right here. So just control some of the interior lights, some of the exterior, main battery disconnect right there, and the zip D awning controls. A little bit more storage and trash here on the side. Beautiful hammer copper sinks. And then back here, this is a cool feature right here. So this is a hat rack that Airstream likes to include. So get your nice hats up there. I mean, this is removable if you don't want to use that feature, but it is a nice little addition. Kipsch audio throughout, so really stunning. That copper look on those speakers really pops and really stands out in this coach. It makes a world of difference. All in there is going to be your radio controls. It's going to be your HDMI, internet, WineGuard system, that HDMI cord in there. It's pretty cool. Hook up your Roku, Apple TV, Fire Stick, anything like that. It'll go ahead and shoot to both of your TVs. So think about all the little things. Up top, we're going to have that exhaust fan. That exhaust fan is going to be automatic with the rain sensor as well. It's going to bring out 720 cubic feet of air per minute, so it really cool down and get a nice breeze going through here. Something different as well, we have these nice curtains throughout. So you have these curtains on all the windows rather than just your side panoramic windows. But you still have that blind right there too, give you that blackout privacy that you're looking for. This is a cool little addition as well. So, you know, in most of my 27 footers, the sofa goes all the way to the edge right here, but instead they decided to add a little bar right here, which is cool. They give you all these additional little storage totes, a little bit more space here, and all these drawers. And then right here is where we're going to be storing all of our bottles. I love it. I love it. You also get these runners, and everything that you see here is going to be included with the package. So just really makes this trailer feel nice and cozy on the inside. Beautiful hammered copper sinks. So it's a nice little touch as well. Has some more of that Western cowboy themed decals on the side. Have a 3 gas top burner right there. Be able to utilize that. Just get that flipper up around. Going to have your microwave convection air fry combination right here. Up here is going to be a little bit more control. So you have your sea level 2. There's going to be your inverter. It's going to be your solar controller right there. So you'll be able to monitor your battery, fresh tank, gray tank, black tank, turn on the water pump, turn on the inverter right there in case you need to power up some of those more heavier appliances. And that solar controller is just going to monitor what the solar panels are doing for you and what your batteries are doing. Some more storage up top. Large pantry spaces. You have this one that opens up, goes pretty deep back all the way to the wall. You have your breaker box fuse panel down below. Big 8 cubic foot refrigerator and freezer. This is all going to be 12 volt, no two-way. So it'll all run off that battery system. All right, it's going to be wardrobe space right here. So you have that double wardrobe closet. Nice lights on the inside. Ribbed hanging structure so none of your clothes are going all over the place. These are those 2 additional cushions that I was talking about that helps it convert into the bed for you. One cool thing I didn't point out, I can point it out on this one though. Airstream changed with these. No, remember those used to be like a little plastic skylight, but we changed it to a glass skylight, which is pretty cool. Just one of the little changes. And another change is with the windows. Airstream listens to their customers. They listen to their customer base, understand that you guys are the ones that are making the Airstream special. So there's another thing with the windows that I'll show you when we get back to the bedroom. Check out that craftsmanship. Door swings all the way open. Beautiful bathroom. Again, hammered copper sinks. Have your Suburban water heater controls there. Going to open up the mirror right here for a little medicine cabinet. Exhaust fans throughout. I love the lights here on this as well. Have some hanging space right there for a towel. Same deal with the kitchen as well. We come in here, it's going to be the shower. Nice exhaust fans, seats and everything on and below. So be able to accommodate everybody that's coming on board. Get a lot of questions how we ask, how do you block off this middle section? So you actually have 2 curtains right here. So you have a curtain here, curtain there. These guys work on a Velcro. So be able to get those out, pull that curtain across. So that way you have some privacy while you're using the restroom or taking a shower, whatever it is. Get that all Velcroed up. Then there's a little strap right there on the middle that helps secure that into place. Then we make our way back to the bedroom. Like I said, this is going to be the queen bed configuration. All the throw pillows and everything really makes this special as well. Still have that genuine leather wrapping around throughout the back. Some more storage up top. Again, these beautiful lamps right there. And the nice thing about these queen beds, be able to lift these up. Have a lot of storage up underneath. So you're not going to be lacking any storage anytime soon with any one of these queen bed configurations. Some more storage on the side, on each side with your nightstands. Going to have a USB, USB-C outlet on both sides as well as a GFCI outlet. So not going to have to worry about charging any of the devices or anything like that. And here's what I was talking about with the new Windows system. So they changed how the latches work just to make it a little bit easier on everybody whenever we're trying to open these up, because you know that sometimes they can get a little stuck and you have to go out with the credit card to try to get it unstuck and everything. So these latches make it 10 times easier to open and close those windows. So it just made it a little bit different design, so that way nobody's having to fight with their window to get some fresh air. Some more TVs in the back, light controls, inverter outlets. And I appreciate everybody coming out, giving us a little bit of time. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Thanks. Bye.